How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 KZ Connect. This is going to be their 313 MK floor plan. We're going to start with our pass-through storage first. Of course, it does go all the way through. And then if we take a step back and look at the campsite of this travel trailer, you have two awnings, one slide out, so it doesn't take away too much of your campground area. If you check out those tires, you can tell that we do have dual axle, nice solid steps underneath that entry door, as well as a little leash holder for those furry friends that we like to take camping with us. If we take a step on the inside of this travel trailer, we're going to start at the back. So you have this gorgeous kitchen island, oversized refrigerator with your pull-out freezer down below, 3-burner cooktop, microwave, so much counter space, it is crazy. You have your entertainment center with your sound system, smart TV, fireplace down below, a little bit of storage in the middle there, maybe for some remotes. And then at the back wall, you have a couch. So storage above, storage down below. I love to see all the windows. This couch does fold into a bed in case you do have some late night stragglers. And then straight across from your entertainment center, you have theater seating. This theater seating does have cup holders and chargers in the middle there, as well as recline. But the cool thing about it is that it does pop up to give you some more seating space. Next to that, you have your freestanding dinette. Love the light fixture above here. 4 chairs come all together. And then to round off this area, you have a coffee bar with even more prep space. Storage above and below. I love to see it. Down this hallway to the left, we have your bathroom. So you have your sink, medicine cabinet, shower with a skylight for some extra headroom. You have your soap holders. And then down below, you're going to find your porcelain toilet in the corner there. At the very front of this travel trailer, we have our main bedroom. So this is a king-size bed. You do have windows, night lights, and outlets on either side. And then on the left-hand side of the bed, you do have this cabinet here, which is washer and dryer prep, or just more storage, whatever fits your needs. Behind this front cap, you do have a little bit of extra wardrobe storage. Really cool place to put some little baskets or maybe your shoes. They did provide a nice clothing rod there for you. And then the showstopper is going to be across from the bed. So you have another smart TV, storage on either side, a nice window to look over the campground area, which I love to see. But overall, just a really great looking camper. This is going to be your 2025 KZ Connect 313 MK. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Microwave, so much counter space. It is crazy. You have your entertainment center with your sound system, smart TV, fireplace down below, a little bit of storage.